This is my zhush on the radio. To know me is to know I love Return of the Mac. But today is, what's today? Today is Wednesday. And I am leaving my mother's house, trying to get home because the people are at my house to fix my ceiling. You guys know I was saying I was having issues with my ceiling, so they had to send somebody else out. And the people were supposed to call before they came, but they did not call. And I had to bring my boys to my mom because I have to go to work physically tomorrow. So she watches them for me when I work. So I had to bring them. So I'm trying to rush home to get there because I told them I was about 20 minutes away when in all actuality I'm about 25. But whatever, he should have called. And so, yeah, so that has been on my list of things to do today. And I'm also going to, I'm going to go get my toes done later because I just have to. Like, I have to. So when I get off of work, I'm going to go and get my toes done. So I will take you guys on that journey. And then I probably will let you guys see what's going on with my ceiling because my ceiling is terrible. I'm over it. I'm upset about it. I feel like I paid too much for my house for me to be having issues, and I have not been in that house for a full year. So they either gonna fix it or they can have the whole goddamn house back. Okay? So y'all, I get a special delivery today, which is really, really sweet. And guess what? I can actually taste it. Ain't that crazy? So this is a gift from someone. And the crazy part is that I haven't been able to like really taste anything for real. And this gets delivered. I try and taste it, and I can taste it. I said God has got to be playing a sick joke on me because there's a backstory to this. And it's just like, really, God? I could have been tasting stuff, and now you want to send this, and then now I can taste this? You're playing a joke on me. You really are. But I sure appreciate it that I can taste it. I appreciate it. I really do.
Yeah, I can therefore, would you like to come in 4:30? Yeah. So what time is convenient for you, early? Yeah, Yep, Okay, yeah. Alright, see you early. Alright, okay, bye-bye, Ali. You remember the number? 131. 131?
Have the chairs been sanitized? The chairs been sanitized? Yes, we don't want to after it's customized. Hey y'all, so I made it and I'm getting my nails done and stuff, and I'm extremely paranoid. I have been sanitizing my hands and stuff, and just like I use their sanitizer, and then I also, when I sat down, I use my own sanitizer. I'm just so paranoid right now. So, but nobody else is here, so as you can see, nobody else is here, and there's nobody on the other side either. But you can never be too careful. So, see you guys in a little bit. All right, y'all, so I got my nails done and stuff. I'm looking real rough right now because I had that mask on. Man, that was brutal. But I got my nails done and everything, and my toes is the exact same color as my nails. But y'all, why the little chick that did my nails was trying me. Like, I'm very particular about anything that is on me, especially my nails. And like, people be scared to tell these people that they don't be doing their nails right. Now I got my own nails done. As you can see, I got my own nails done. And so I was telling her that, like, I like my nails to be nail bed to nail bed, completely covered if you gonna put polish on my nails, right? She gonna tell me, and it's crazy because they always have an excuse. Oh, your nail crooked, or your nail this, your nail that. No, your ass is crooked, and your ass not doing my nail the right way. I'm gonna need you to polish my nails the right way, and I'm gonna need you to clean them up. She gonna tell me talking about something, it was gonna make my nail bed look big. I don't care. I want it covered from left to right. I want the whole nail bed covered, and if it look big, then it just look big. But I want it covered. I don't want to see a piece of my nail because you feel like, oh, it's gonna make your nail look big. I didn't ask you that. I asked you to cover my nail. And y'all want to charge for any and every little thing, so I'm gonna need them shits to be perfect. She got attitude. I don't care. I can get attitude too. But needless to say, I got my nails done. And yeah, this is the reason, like, stuff like that is the reason why I left my last nail shop, baby, because I will not give you my money and you want to tell me what's right and what's wrong. Like, I'm the customer. I'm not asking you for nothing crazy. I'm just asking that you paint my nails and my toes the right way, and they be fully painted and they be neat, and that's that. You do that, we good. This is why I don't leave no tips, because y'all be with the shits and I ain't got time. So anyway, I'm about to leave from here and I'm gonna go wash my car, and I'm gonna run my car through the little thing. It's right around the corner, Benny's. And it's probably gonna end this vlog. It was a quick vlog, kind of show you guys what I did today. I didn't do much. And I'm gonna go home, find me something to wear to work, which will probably not be anything but a little dress, and get ready for tomorrow. Hop in the bed, well, hop in the shower, hop in the bed, and then find me something to binge watch. Probably, ooh, child, The Real Housewives of, I think it was New Jersey. My best friend told me to watch last night, so I'll probably start that and knock out. So, oh, excuse me. Hope you guys are staying safe. Hope you guys are having a good day, a good time. My people who were affected by COVID, let me know how y'all doing in the comments down below. Let me know if y'all need anything, and stay safe. Wash your hands, wear your mask, practice social distancing, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.